My name is Brooks Hansen. I'm an Executive Vice President for Science at the American Geophysical Union. We are really pleased to partner again for the fourth year with NASA on the Student Data Visualization Competition. This competition is now named after Mike Freilich. Mike led a lot of the science efforts at NASA and was also really the driving force and inspiration behind this award. And so we're really pleased to recognize his lasting contribution, not only to the science, but to this award. Data are increasingly important in Earth and space science data are so important in many aspects of our science, but also our economy. A lot of the improvements in say, weather prediction have come from global data integration. Our GPS system, which flies airplanes and lets us find restaurants for dinner tonight, is driven by a whole wide range of Earth and space science data. These data have many other economic uses, from efficient ship navigation to efficient agriculture, many other understandings of how we're affecting our planet. Communicating the importance of this data to the public, to policymakers, and to other scientists is critically important. And that's why these data visualization contests is so important. Furthermore, these students are emphasizing through this award, these students not only are the future leaders of our Earth and space science, but demonstrating that level of communication and sharing our science with our community, with our public supporters worldwide is critically important. So again, we're so pleased to be partnering with NASA on this. I'm going to turn it over to Sandra to announce the award winners.
So I am Sandra Cauffman. I am the acting director for the Earth Science Division. I was Mike Freilich's deputy, and upon his retirement, I'm acting on the position. And because Mike left, I needed a deputy. And so Dr. Paula Bontempi is the acting deputy for the division now. So it takes two to replace Mike, some kind of ways. But it is my distinct pleasure to be here announcing these winners. Mike was a big advocate for the Hyperwall and data visualization. And if you ever had an opportunity to listen to him talk, it was just he did such a wonderful job with conveying the science, and also he was a very strong believer in early career and in motivating the next generation of individuals that are going to be following on our footsteps. So I am so pleased to be able to announce the next four winners. Four of them were announced yesterday, so these are the second lot of four winners. So the first one is Veronica Sutherland. Would you please come up? So Veronica, what she did is the title of her data visualization was Estimating the Health Impacts of Air Pollution Using Satellite-Derived Concentration Estimates. So after all the award presentations, you're going to be able to hear what they did and see what they did, and you're going to be blown away. So Veronica, congratulations to you. And we have a little present. Yeah, and that's, yeah. And I don't know where the camera is, but we got a lot of. Come on, Paula. Yeah. I thought I was off the hook. Yeah. No, you're not. Over there. Okay. You stay there. It's fine. The second person is Julia Carr. Yeah. And the title of her data visualization and storytelling was How Do Bedrock Rivers Transport Coarse Sediment? Using UAVs and field surveys to quantify sediment transport in Taiwan. Congratulations very much. Yeah. Yeah. And look at the camera over there. Yeah. The third winner is Amanda Price. Please come forward. And the title of her data visualization and storytelling was Investigating Dynamic Earthquake Triggering in the Mariana Subduction Zone Using 3D and 4D Visualization. Awesome. Congratulations to you. Yeah. 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 And look at the camera over there. Uh-huh. Come on, guys. Okay. And the last one is Anna Barth. Please come forward. Yeah. And the title of her data visualization and storytelling was Listening to Eruption Dynamics at Lone Star Geyser, Yellowstone, using multivariate sonification. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thanks.
yes.
Thank you.
Now, can we get them all? Just like, it's like a good picture of all of us. Look at them. Thank you so much. Now, please stay and listen to their presentations.